Hello students, welcome to Birds and Bloom School online class for mathematics. Today we have the topic circle. Circle होता क्या है? Basically, circle is the locus of a point P, which moves in such a way that its distance from a fixed point always constant. ऑरिजिन है या सेंटर मानने इसका ऑफ सर्किल, जो भी डिस्टेंस रहेगी इसकी एट एवरी पॉइंट ये मूव करेगा यहाँ पर, तो इसकी डिस्टेंस रहेगी इस पॉइंट की हमेशा इक्वल रहेगी. So our circle is like this. This is center of a circle. Distance between a point to center of a circle is called radius. So, radius of a circle is small r is that distance which is between center of the circle and a point on it. If we extend this line to another point, it is A and it is B. So now here distance r and again it is distance r. This distance A to B is called diameter. Diameter of a circle means when a line go through the center of a circle from one point to another point is called diameter of a circle, and its measurement is d is equal to r plus r is equal to 2r unit. In this circle we learn that the perimeter of a circle is called circumference. Perimeter of a circle called circumference. So, circumference is that distance which travel along through the circle. So we have r distance, we cover from this point P to again this point P. So we travel through 360 degree. We know value of pi is equal to 180 degrees. If pi is equal to 180 degree, then 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. We travel 360 degree with the distance of r. So, C circumference is equal to 2 pi into r is equal to 2 pi r unit. We have some more interesting topic. There, the circle. if we draw lines from one point to another in a circle, they call chord. They call chord. C-H-O-R-D. So chord is that distance which is in a circle from one point to another. It can be diameter 2. It can be a diameter 2. A diameter can be a chord, but all chord cannot be diameter. Okay? So we have the chord, and we have a word secant. Secant is that line which intersect a circle on 2 points. So this line called secant. So secant is that line which intersect a circle on 2 points. That line is called secant. And if we talk about tangent, so the tangent of a circle is that line which intersect the circle on a point. Tangent is that line which intersect a circle on a single or a one point is called tangent of a circle. It always on 90 degree with the center O. It always perpendicular on this line, tangent. So we learned about circle. We learned about the radius of circle, diameter, the circumference, the chord, the secant, and the tangent. I hope you all understand very well. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.